Hey gang, it's Matt again, coming at you live on this gorgeous day. We've got a brand new listing right behind me, 8773 Larimore. It's over 1,100 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's a Strauss-Built home, and there's so many updates. The kitchen is brand new, wide open. We got all new windows. The basement is unfinished with huge ceilings, so you can get some work done during your quarantine. We've also got a beautiful deck, composite. You know, if you needed something to get yourself out of bed today, this is it. So come check it out with me. Okay, we're inside, guys, and I can't wait to give you, you know what, you guys already know what's going on. This is a pajama tour. You've been stuck at home. I'm enjoying the pajama pants. Why fight it? Let's check out this house together. First, I want to show you the kitchen because it's absolutely magical. Come on and follow me. So we've got all new kitchen cabinets with a beautiful wood tone. We've got granite countertops. We've got a sill granite sink. We've got stainless steel appliances, all new tile flooring, all new tile backsplash, tons of windows, tons of light, and we've opened the wall up to the living room, giving you perfect sight lines from the front to the back of the house. All right, now that you've seen the kitchen living area, let's go to the bedroom, shall we? One of my favorite features of the Strauss houses are the sconce lighting throughout the homes. These are absolutely timeless. All right, that's the main floor. Let's check out the basement. I got a little surprise for you. Okay guys, we're in the basement. The reason I wanted to show you this, obviously it's unfinished, but it's primed and ready for your quarantine project. The ceiling height, I'm usually close to hitting my head on some bulkheads or something like that. The duct run is right in the middle under this beautiful, huge beam that's holding the house up. The foundation is a poured concrete foundation, not a cinder block wall. We've got a sump pit and pump installed to keep it nice and dry down here. It's got everything you need to add a crazy amount of equity during these crazy times. Look at the panel, brand new, tons of room. You can do whatever you want. Follow me. Furnace, super clean, high efficient, nothing to do here. It's only 5 years old. This looks like a trim board here. It's actually not. See the new concrete around the edge? That means we've got all new drain tile around the base of this foundation to keep all the water out. It's a beautiful thing. It's all done for you. You know, one thing I like to see finished in a basement, if there's nothing else finished, is the bathroom. That's right. Because even when you're doing construction, you still gotta go. So the backyard is very Zen-like with the Strauss house. We've got, on a beautiful day, the birds are chirping with all the mature trees, and I'm standing on the composite deck with metal railing, all maintenance free, so we can relax in a Zen-like state back here. The yard is very cute. You know, it's flat. It's got a real private feel to it, so you're gonna love it when you get here.